Hi, welcome to CDE Open House. My name is Sheng Xinya and I'll be sharing more about my experience in EE and NUS. I'm currently in Year 2 studying Electrical Engineering and I stay on campus at Ridgeview Residential College. So, what is it like to study EE? Well, firstly, there'll be a lot of lab work where you'll get to put what you learn to use. You'll be working on circuits and signals, so if you don't know, the first picture on the top left is an oscilloscope for measuring signals. I personally enjoy working with circuits. I think they're intriguing to analyze and rewarding when the circuit actually works. You'll also learn and experience soldering. Many people consider that to be the most fun part of EE, although it can get a bit tedious. In general, I like that the concepts we learn in EE are not purely theoretical and can be directly applied through various projects, and I find this way of learning more engaging and effective. So throughout your EE curriculum, you'll be learning a wide variety of topics. Firstly, we have the Electrical Engineering Principles and Practice 1 and 2, which are two courses that teach you about circuit fundamentals. They're very lab heavy, and because of these courses, you'll be in lab for a big part of your first year. There's also no escaping from math in engineering. We'll be applying calculus and linear algebra. There's also quite a bit of programming in EE, so we'll be doing things like embedded systems, which are microcontrollers, such as Arduino or STM32, and there will also be coding like Python or C. There are also many interdisciplinary courses in engineering that can help you build your soft skills. So two examples are design thinking and project management. Let's go a little bit into student life. So I stay in RBRC, and I strongly believe that one of the best ways to enjoy university is to partake in student life activities. RBRC is a college with a focus on sustainability, and it has brought a lot of fond memories and strong friendships. I also learned a lot from my time in RBRC. For example, the top left corner is a photo of us going to East Malaysia for a course, which was very rewarding and really expanded my worldview. I'm also in several CCAs. So for the first picture, I went to Astro Bash in Langkawi, which is an event held by NUS Astronomy for stargazing and astrophotography overseas. This is a photo of the Langkawi National Observatory where we saw some stars and planets with huge telescopes. It was really cool. I'm also in the BitScrap CCA, which is an EC-related CCA that provides you with the tools and environment to repair faulty or broken devices. So the top photo was my old earpiece that I fixed by soldering the wires onto the jack. And the bottom photo is of a printer which our group actually fixed, but then broke when trying to reassemble it. It definitely helped me learn about the mechanisms of certain devices and explore my interest in EE, and can help you save money too. I'm also in Cat Cafe, which is responsible for the stray cats in NUS, and I volunteered to feed the engineering cats every 2 weeks, which greatly boosts my mental health. This cat is actually one of my favorite NUS cats. Lastly, I'm also in NUS Comics and Animation Society, which has a focus on anime, and I go for their sessions to routinely practice drawing and de-stress. This is a photo of a booth for NUS cats, where some of my art was printed to be given out. In general, I would highly recommend you explore your interests and take advantage of the rich student life opportunities in NUS. It will definitely make your time here more enjoyable. That's all for my presentation. I hope I was able to help you look into what electrical engineering is and what NUS has to offer. Please scan the QR code on the top and view the EE website and the second QR code to view more CDE program videos. Thank you!